Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another retro one, man. I know Jordan brand is killing this silhouette all the way down into the ground, but they still dropping joints, man. The pair we're talking about today is the Air Jordan 1 PSG. That's the soccer league, Jordan brand collaborates with them and gives them their own shoe or whatever the case may be. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified. We dropping new content to the channel and help us grow this channel to 1,500 subscribers. I want to say I appreciate and thank you guys for all the love and support we've been getting. Within the last 3 months, we've been dropping a lot of content, and I appreciate all the love we've been getting. If you guys want to follow us on our social media accounts, you guys can just head over to Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. If you guys want to cop any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch, we got a lot of stuff dropping. You guys might want to go over there and leave your email address. So anytime we drop something, it'll go straight to your email. And the website is P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Air Jordan 1 PSG Comfort. Let's get straight into the shoe. Alright, as you guys can see, this shoe comes with 3 different laces. It comes with a pink, purple, and a black pair. But most of the shoe, if not all the shoe, is all suede. Oh, the suede feels really good right here on the toe box. This black suede right here. And you got the cream suede on the toe box. Slide over here to the left, put the shoestrings in here. You have more of that cream suede. Then you have like a, I don't want to say a leather material, but it's like a grayish material swoosh right here. Slide over to the back with that creamy black suede right here. It's the PSG logo with the Jordan logo on the inside. You come up here to the top of the shoe. It's not like your regular normal leather that's on a regular retro one. The Comfort, it usually comes with a different material because the shoe is much lighter than a regular retro one. And the color here is pink and purple. Then you have black in the inside for the Comfort. Come over here, you have more of that good premium black suede. I can't get over this suede. This suede feels amazing, man. Then you have the cream right here, cream suede. You have the swoosh again. You have a white sole, and then you have a black bottom of the sole with the purple Comfort right here, man. The shoe is okay, man. I like what Jordan brand is doing here with the lighter, lighter retro one. This shoe is really light. It feels like nothing's in my hand. It feels, and I know these feel good on foot for sure with the Comfort Air, down here. I know this feels amazing on foot. But this is clean. This is clean. I like the colors and everything, man. I'm looking at it, and this is turning color, so this is like 3M-ish or something in here. I want to say iridescent. Something in there. When you move it, I don't know if you guys can see it. It changes colors. So it's a good-looking shoe. Retro one. Most retro ones look good. I'm not too big on the colors and everything like that. I don't like the tan toe box and the tan suede around it. I'm not really feeling that. But this, I'm telling y'all, this black suede feels amazing on this shoe. Wow. They need to put this on all retro ones. If they're gonna do suede, it needs to feel just like this. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. But it's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way true, which I'm gonna have to give these 3 out of 5 pennies, man. Quite frankly, I'm tired of the retro one. I'm tired. Just Jordan brand needs to stop already, man. This is crazy. Like, you guys are gonna run this shoe into the ground. It's gonna be the new foam posit. Y'all remember when the foam posit was nice and hot? Everybody was buying all the foams, and then they just colored it out, just put out way too many colors, and they just pretty much killed the shoe, man. They killed the hype of the shoe, man. And look now, like, foam posits just be sitting on the shelves. Nobody's buying them because you killed it. You killed the hype of the shoe, man. And I think that same thing is gonna happen to the retro one, man. There's a lot of other silhouettes that Jordan brand can drop. And I think they need to dig into that bag because what y'all doing to this retro one, it has to stop. Before we know it, we'll be getting red ones again. And and it'll be released for like the 5th, 6th time already. Like, come on, just cut it out, man. And you know, let's get creative and drop some stuff. You know, some different silhouettes and some different colors and stuff like that, man. So we can enjoy. But yeah, man, 3 out of 5 pennies. Y'all let me know what y'all think, what y'all feel about this whole Zoom Air thing that Jordan Brand has going on, man. Or what you guys think about the PSG collaborations that they're doing. You guys think this is a dope idea? Or you guys think this is good for the brand? Let me know. Leave in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.